Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn using flashcards. Flashcards are incredibly effective for boosting your memory and understanding. They work by engaging active recall, which is a proven method for strengthening neural connections. You can use them for a wide range of subjects, from learning new languages and scientific formulas to mastering historical dates and complex definitions. Let's dive into how to make the most of this simple, yet powerful study technique. Creating effective flashcards is key to successful learning. Focus on one concept per card to avoid overwhelming yourself. On the front, pose a question or a term, and on the back, provide the answer or definition clearly and concisely. Don't be afraid to incorporate images, diagrams, or even mnemonics. These visual aids can significantly improve your recall and make the learning process more engaging. To truly master your material, integrate spaced repetition into your routine. This means reviewing cards you find difficult more often and those you know well less frequently. Always practice active recall. Try to answer the question on the card before you flip it over. This mental effort solidifies the information. Organize your cards into piles like mastered and still learning to streamline your study sessions. Beyond the basics, try explaining concepts on your flashcards aloud as if teaching someone. This deepens your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Also, create reverse flashcards, where the answer is on the front and the question on the back, to challenge your recall from different perspectives. And hey, while you're optimizing your learning, why not optimize your car scent? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.